Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell your Hamster Kombat token or your Hamster Kombat coin on Telegram wallet. I'm going to be showing you guys what you're going to do on the listing day of Hamster Kombat so that you can be able to convert and sell your Hamster Kombat token and make your money and get it into your local bank account. I believe by now you must have claimed or received your Hamster Kombat token by choosing a withdrawal option on the Hamster Kombat mining bot, but it's not really about claiming your Hamster Kombat token that matters. What matters the most, what is most important is actually knowing how to sell your Hamster Kombat token so that you can be able to withdraw your money into your bank account. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to sell your Hamster Kombat token on your Telegram wallet. There is an exchange option that you can use to actually convert your Hamster Kombat token to USDT and then probably withdraw it into your local bank account using the Telegram P2P feature. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys all this so that you can be able to sell your Hamster Kombat token and get your money into your bank account. So guys, on the listing day, Hamster Kombat is going to be distributed to everyone who actually mined the Hamster Kombat on the Telegram app, to everyone who actually linked their Telegram wallet to the Hamster Kombat mining bot on Telegram. So if you linked your Telegram wallet, I believe by now you must have received your Hamster Kombat token. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys first of all how you can be able to find your Hamster Kombat token after it has been distributed to everyone. So guys, what you have to do first of all is to go over to your Telegram app. As you can see here, this is my Telegram account. So guys, the next step you have to take now in order to get to your Telegram wallet is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see wallet. You can see there that's the second option. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my wallet is opening, it's loading. So let's just wait a few seconds. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Telegram wallet. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to find the Hamster Kombat token that was awarded to you, that was distributed to you, is to tap on where you can see more assets. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. So guys, now you can see the Hamster Kombat token right there. You can see the logo, you can see the name there, Hamster Kombat. So guys, now you can see the balance of my Hamster Kombat token. The balance is 0.0. That means I have no Hamster Kombat token. The balance of my Hamster Kombat token is 0 because it has not yet been distributed to my Telegram wallet as at the time I'm making this video. But one thing you have to know is that before the listing day, it will be distributed to everyone. So what you have to do is just to be patient. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can be able to convert and sell your Hamster Kombat on your Telegram wallet. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the Hamster Kombat. You can see there you have to tap on the token. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So let me tap on it. Let me show you guys how you can be able to convert your Hamster Kombat to USDT, then probably use the P2P feature to get your money into your bank account. So guys, now you can see what's written here. You can see the Hamster Kombat, 0 hamster. You can see that's the balance of my Hamster Kombat. So guys, let me continue reading what is written down here. You can see what's written there. Hamster Kombat in wallet. This token is earned from Hamster Kombat, a mini game on Telegram with over 250 million players. You can see send to contacts instantly without fees. The second one, buy and sell wallets P2P market. Then the third one, exchange other cryptocurrency. So guys, now you can see exchange for other cryptocurrency. That means you can actually convert and sell your Hamster Kombat token to get other cryptocurrencies. You can actually convert it to USDT. So guys, now let me scroll down now to show you guys what you can see there. So guys, now you can see what's written there. Listing schedule, exchange, September 26th at 1 p.m. So guys, now you can see for you to be able to use the exchange feature, for you to be able to convert and sell your Hamster Kombat token, you have to wait until September 26th at 1 p.m. for you to be able to use the exchange feature. So guys, now let me scroll upwards now to show you guys the exchange feature. Let me scroll upwards. So guys, now you can see it right there. It's not yet clickable. You can't click on it right now because the date has not yet come. So until September 26th, you cannot be able to use that exchange feature. So guys, that's what it means. So guys, let me continue reading. You can see what's written there. External withdrawals. External withdrawals will begin from September 27 at 1 p.m. So you can be able to withdraw your Hamster Kombat token from September 27th. So guys, let's go over to the last one, which is Telegram transfer and P2P trades. It will begin from September 30th at 1 p.m. So guys, what that means is that after you're done using the exchange feature on the September 26th to convert your Hamster Kombat token to USDT or any other crypto, then you can then use the P2P from September 30th at 1 p.m. The P2P feature on Telegram wallet will be made available from September 30th at 1 p.m. So until it gets to September 30th at 1 p.m, you can be able to actually use the P2P to actually sell your USDT USDT or any other crypto to get your money into your bank account. So guys, now you can see these are the listing schedule. So what you have to do now is to look out for the date and get yourself ready. So on the 26th of September at 1 p.m. you can be able to use the exchange feature. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it, which you will actually use to actually convert your Hamster Kombat to any other cryptocurrency like USDT. And once you convert it to USDT, then you're safe because USDT does not fluctuate. USDT is a stable coin that has the US dollar value. So it has the value of the US dollar. It doesn't fluctuate. It doesn't change with the changing trade in the cryptocurrency market. So once you've been able now to convert it to USDT, then you can then use the P2P feature to actually sell your USDT to get your money into your bank account. And for you to use the P2P, then you have to wait until September 30th at 1 p.m. So until September 30th, you cannot be able to use the P2P feature. So guys, now you can see these are all the listing schedule. So guys, now I have to end this video right now. In my next video, most likely I'm going to be making videos on how you can use the exchange feature so that you can be able to convert your Hamster Kombat token to any other cryptocurrency like USDT, and how you can actually use the P2P feature on your Telegram wallet to sell your USDT and get your money into your bank account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on next upload. Bye bye. Peace.